Lecithin, enhancing candy perfection. In candy manufacturing, achieving uniform texture and smooth processing can be challenging. Stickiness, uneven mixing, and inconsistent finishing often slow production. Lecithin, a natural emulsifier, enhances ingredient dispersion, reduces stickiness, and improves the overall processing efficiency of confectionery formulations. By promoting homogeneous mixing between sugar, fats, and flavor components, Lecithin ensures a smooth, stable candy mass with uniform texture and taste. With Lecithin, candies achieve better texture, improved mold release, enhanced mouthfeel, and consistent quality, batch after batch. Optimize your confectionery formulations with high-quality Lecithin from Amitex Agro Products Pvt, your trusted partner in functional ingredient solutions. To learn more about our products, visit www.amitexindia.com.